tasty. Type slash global hello here guys with a blue tick. Are going to create a global messaging system for you guys for free. No need to pay. It is an advanced system I made for you. Let's get in the start. First, you have to insert a script inside the server script service, and then remove this hello world print and go to my Discord link in my description. After going, then here you can find the script, global messaging script I made for you guys. Then copy it all. Sorry. After copying this, then paste into it, and don't forget to change your user ID. Don't forget to change with your user ID. I changed my user ID. How to get this user ID? Go to open Chrome, open Roblox, and go to your profile by clicking here and copy this user ID. After copying this, go to Roblox Studio and put comma and put your user for multiple admins. After this, then insert a folder inside a replicate storage, rename it remotes. Remotes. Then inside a folder, insert a remote event, rename it display global announcement. After doing that, then go to my Discord again and go to GUI section and click this link for model. And here you guys get model, open and click into get model, and then open is then open. Here you can find your model, then insert it. Click OK, and after this you can find template one. Then put into the replicate storage, and this message I put into the starter queue. Sorry. Then after this, delete this model. Then you are ready to chat global. Let's test it. Type slash global hello here guys with a blue tick. If you want to add timer, slash type global how much second you want, just like 6 seconds. Then put your message. Hello Imraja 49. Then slash global hell RFC. If your how much your text is longer, then it will show longer. Just like it. If you spam it slash global hello, copy this. It don't overlaps. Look this. Just like this. So yeah, thank you for the watching until the video ends, and subscribe, like, share for the more content. Bye bye.